Good afternoon, this is Damani,
And this is Imani.
and in our presentation we're going to teach you how to solve reaction type problems. I'm going to start off by giving you some general information on reaction types. The definition of reaction type is a process that leads to the transformation of one set of chemical substances to another. Chemical types relate to class because they help to solve the first step to reaction product problems. They show synthesis, reaction, double single replacement, double replacement, combustion, decomposition. Now I'm going to switch to Iman.
So when you when you're solving reaction types problems, first you have to look at what type does it look like. That will be the easiest way to figure it out. So with synthesis, you have to look at if it's turning into a reactant, and decomposition if it's turning from a reactant into a adding the reactants together. Single replacement is basically switching one of the reactants places, and a double replacement is switching two of the reactant places. And combustion reactions um switch from CHO to CO2 and H2O to create water and carbon dioxide. So this is our example problem. So basically we have to figure out how to get so with the with the problem you have to figure out what the final product would be. So first you have to look at how many reactants and see how many there are. So if it's like two reactants, you could already know that it's a synthesis problem. And then next you look at whether the final reaction comes first or last to eliminate it being a decomposition reaction. And then you look at the look at how the elements are not if the elements are the same on each in the same place on each side, or if they're not in the same place on each side. The easiest way to solve a combustion reaction containing hydrogen and oxygen is to write CO2 and H2O. So with our reaction problem, we wrote CO2 and H2O, and then we balanced it out, which is a different way. And we knew that it was combustion because it is a combustion reaction because when all the substances in a compound are combined with oxygen, which then produce carbon and water. So if you see that it automatically produces carbon and water, then you know that it's a combustion reaction. Thank you for watching me and Damani's screencast.